Today I'll be doing an unboxing video of some tools I have just received from Owden leather tools. You may have already noticed some Owden tools that I've been using, such as my edge paint roller, my number 1 edge beveler, and my hole punch set. I found these tools to be of good quality and value, so I'm looking forward to unboxing and reviewing these new tools. They have sent me this package, so let's open it up and have a look inside. This first box is a set of round punches, and there are some smaller boxes with some hand tools, and this larger, heavier box at the bottom. We have a few new tools to open. Today I want to give you my first impressions, and then review them after I've had a chance to really try them out. Let's start with the smallest box first. This tool is a stitching groover. It is used to make a groove line so you can sink your stitching thread down below the surface level of the leather. Included in the box are 3 different groove tips and an L-shaped guide piece. You can install and screw down a groove tip, then choose which side to install your guide piece for either right or left-handed use. The 3 groove tip sizes are 1mm, 1.2mm and 1.5mm, so you can choose how big you want your groove line to be. I will test the tool out quickly on some scrap leather. And the tool is already quite sharp out of the box, which is good. The tool itself looks good with a brass section at the top and a wooden handle. It comes with a nice polished finish, which is expected of a quality tool. Now let's move on to have a look at the next tool. This is a French skiver, which is used to thin down your leather. It comes with a piece of fine grit sandpaper, which is used to keep the cutting edge nice and sharp. This French skiver comes with a 6mm wide cutting edge. Testing on some scrap leather, it is already sharp out of the box. This French skiver has a brass ferrule and has the Owden logo etched into the steel. It has also been factory polished to give a nice mirror finish. Moving on to the next box. This is an edge beveler, which is used to round off the edges of leather before you burnish them. This edge beveler is a number 3, which is suitable for a leather edge thickness of around 2mm. Again, testing on some leather, it is also sharp and ready to use out of the box. This tool has a brass ferrule with a wooden handle and has the same polished finish as this French skiver, with the Owden logo and bevel number etched into the steel. This next one is a set of round punches. There are 13 punches in the set, starting from 1mm up to 12mm. It comes with a small plastic punching board, so you don't damage your tools. It also comes with a nice labeled case to store all your punches in order of size. Each punch has a black anti-rust finish and has its size etched into it and feels nice and solid in my hand. Now onto the last tool in the biggest box. This is a crafting hammer that has replaceable heads for different applications. It has an orange plastic body with a grey rubber grip, but is quite heavy, likely due to a solid steel core. It weighs in around 650 grams or 1.4 pounds, which is on the heavier side for leather work hammers. It comes with 3 different swappable heads, a nylon head, a steel head, and a brass head, which can cover all leatherwork applications. I will swap out the brass head with the nylon one, as the nylon and steel combo is perfect for leatherwork. It looks a bit different to the type of hammers and mallets normally used in leathercraft, but I'm interested to try it out. If you are interested in any of these tools, I will leave links to them in the video description. My first impression on these tools were positive, as they all have a nice finish and are sharp and ready to use out of the box. However, the real test will be when I start using them properly with my projects. I will use these tools for a few weeks before I do a full video review on them, so make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time.